That's working the video. So first, let me know how long have you been using Xender for transferring files? For me, like almost 7 years now. So let me know how long you've used Xender, and let's look at how you can just increase the speed of Xender when you are sending files. Okay, so big files like 1 gig, 2 gig, in short time you'll be able to send them very fast from one device to another. So let me show you there. But if you're new, subscribe, because more videos will be coming right here on this channel. I have more. Also, how you can just increase your phone speed. Check in the comment section for that one, how you can just increase your phone speed and then learn more from us. So let's start with this and let's go into it. So if you don't have Xender on your device, just download Xender from Play Store or App Store. And if you have it as well, just update it first. Okay, so just update your Xender on your device. And as I've said, let me know how long you've used Xender. Okay, so after updating, just open your Xender on your device. Okay, so you can see mine is installing, and now let's open it. Okay, so when you open, this is how Xender looks like. Look down here, we have the playlist right here, we have the share, and then we have this sign, and then we have social and me. Okay, so just tap on this down here. When you tap on it, you are going to select anyone, whether you want to send or you want to receive something from your friend. Okay, so let me just try the send and let me show you. So when you tap on the send, you can see this is the QR code that your friend is going to either scan or connect to you. Okay, and look down, we have 5G mode. 5G mode, high speed. This is where you're going to increase your Xender speed and then just be able to transfer files in the fastest way. Okay, so look down here and just tap on this to turn it on. So when you turn it on, it will just change to a green QR code. Okay, so the other one was white, but this one, you see, white and black, but this one is green and white. Okay, so this is the high speed 5G mode activated on Xender. Okay, and this one is not just going to work without your friend or the one that you're going to send that file to. His phone or his Xender has not been updated, okay, to the latest version. Okay, so look now, you can see that Android or iPhone must be updated to latest version 13.0.0. okay, so let me show you. So when you just turn it on at the send, this is how, or the other side for your friend to as well. So when your friend tries to receive, okay, and your friend tap on scan to connect, okay, you can see we have this device support 5G mode. So although with your own, maybe your phone may be supporting the 5G, but if your friend too, his or her phone is not supporting the 5G, the speed won't be there. Okay, so both of you should just update your Xender so that the speed will be there. Okay, so that's one thing that you should also take note of that. Okay, so after scanning, you just connect, you just send files. It's very fast. Okay, 40 megabytes per second. Okay, that's the highest speed that it can give you, 40 megabytes per second. So if let's say you're just going to send a file which is 100 megabytes, in just 2 to 3 seconds that file is sent. That's it. That's the power of the Xender right now. So let me know how long you've used Xender and let me know your thoughts about this, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Stay alive and Merry Christmas.